Hi sweet peas, I hope everyone's safe and well. In today's video I'm going to be talking about something that I've been super excited to review and talk about with you guys, and that is the new Skin Reset Plumping shots. You guys can see. So I am super, like I said, super excited to review and talk about these with you guys. I've been waiting to receive these for a while, so yeah, we can get into it in a minute. So, just before we get started, a quick introduction on myself. My name is Jessica. I am a fully qualified beauty therapist and I have been for going on 7 years now. The aim of these videos is to show you the products that Avon are selling, what the ingredients are, how the ingredients can help your skin, so you can make informed decisions on the kind of products that you buy for skincare, beauty, all that Avon does really. I have a passion for skincare, so all of my videos will sort of include a little bit of the scientific knowledge behind the products that you're using and how they can help you. Okay, let's get started. So like I said, I've been really excited to use these products. They are called Skin Reset Plumping shots. I've never used these before. So basically I was thinking about how I was going to do these videos, and what I decided was that I'm going to use one for the first time today, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back after 7 days and I'm going to tell you guys how these have worked for me. So we're going to go to basics. I'm going to consult my notes because I've made notes. So I'm just going to go into the skin's framework and collagen. Now collagen makes up 80% of the skin's framework, and the main types of collagen in your skin are collagens type 1 and 3. Basically collagen 1 builds into the framework and collagen 3 is the framework of the collagen that's in your skin. Collagen is a protein, and it's the most plentiful protein in the human body. It's what provides elasticity, it's also what keeps your skin looking youthful, so that's why babies have beautiful soft skin, because they have a really new and brilliant collagen in their skin. Your epidermis is the top layer and that's what keeps your skin waterproof. Your dermis is where you have your sweat glands and your hair follicles, and then the hypodermis is where you have your connectivity tissues and also your blood vessels. So they're the main 3 layers of your skin. Collagen lies in the dermis layer of your skin. When you are born, you obviously have a lot of collagen. Over time, the number and amount of collagen that your body produces waves, so you stop over time producing as much collagen as is ideal for your body, which is why as you get older your skin starts to have that deflated kind of wrinkle look, because you are not producing the ideal amount of collagen. Okay, so I'm just going to show you an example of why this product is so good and how it will help your skin. So I'm going to show you this. So this white ball represents your skin when it has lost the optimum amount of collagen. So basically give it a good squeeze like this, and then it will eventually go back to its normal shape after you moisturize. Takes a bit of time. So this blue ball represents, ooh, see how it bounces back really quickly, when you have the optimum levels of collagen put back into the skin. You can see it just bounces right back. So that's quite a good example of how this product works. It's basically to bring back the bounce to your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and use one of these ampules. This is the first time that I've used one, and I'm going to see what it's like. It's out of the packet. So yeah, I've showed you the packaging beforehand. It comes just like that with your 7 booster shots. So I give that a bit of a shake. So basically I just break off the cap like so. Just let the excess liquid drain in. Okay, let me, doesn't smell like much at all really. Pour that little liquid, so I've poured that in, so it looks, it's got like a blue, clear blue kind of colour to it. Okay. and then rub it in and just pop it onto my skin. Never forget the neck, of course. Okay. Okay, yeah, so that feels very light on my skin. Yeah, it's actually quite light, and it's actually absorbed really quickly into the skin as well, so that's really good. Like I said, it barely has a scent, so it's actually quite mild. So if your skin's a bit more sensitive, hopefully that there's not loads of scent in it that will irritate your skin. Yeah, that's quite cool. I like these little. Oh, see, I've just been shaking this out and a load more has come out, so I'm just gonna pop that onto my face. Make sure you get all of it out of your ampule. You might as well get the most out of it, for sure. Okay, so it basically says in the instructions that I need to leave it until it's totally absorbed into my skin and then put my moisturiser on, so whatever moisturiser you use. But yeah, this feels like it's absorbing pretty quickly. It's a little bit tacky on the skin. I'd probably recommend using these at night time in case you're putting makeup on, because it might not sit very well. Right, so I've just popped my moisturiser over the top of that. My skin feels, yeah, nice, you know, we'll see. So they would be really easy to integrate into your beauty regime. So you could cleanse, tone, pop the plumping shot on, and then pop your moisturiser on. Absolutely brilliant. No fuss or hassle. You can use these for the 7-day trial, so that's for a really intense plumpness to really boost the collagen in your skin. If you wanted to, you could use these once a month in your skincare routine. But once a month, instead of using your usual serum, you could use a plumping shot, and that will just boost the elasticity in your skin. So it's really up to you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use these every day now, starting from today, and next Monday I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you guys if I found any difference in my skin, if they've improved my skin's elasticity, and just let you know how they've worked for me. If you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to leave them below. I've also linked in the description my Avon store. You can currently get these plumping shots for £15, so you get 7 ampules for £15, which I think is an absolute bargain. And so you can get those on my Avon store. I also want to have a little shout out to my really good friend Jasmine, who was kind enough to provide me with the plumping shot demo kit that I've used today. She also has an Avon page, at which I will link below, and she does really fun like raffles, so you can win really good prizes through raffles and only pay like £1 or something like that. So please check her out too. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you give this product a go, and like I said, I will come back next week and I will review how this has worked for me. I'm thinking for my next video I will be talking about eye creams. I will also be talking about the jelly mask that I recently purchased from Avon too, and going through how that will work for your skin. As ever, I hope this video was helpful, and have a good day. Take care.